ID Finance is the fastest growing fintech in Spain and Latin America. We have been contributing to financial inclusion for over 6 years by offering tailored credit solutions. 2 years ago, more than 1,000 investors joined us on our mission. Since then, we more than doubled our business, turned profitable, and became the first carbon-neutral fintech in Spain and Mexico. And this year, we launched a financial wellness app, Plazo, the next step in our journey.
We see that most of the population in Spain and Hispanic America do not have access to a single suite of financial wellness tools. A solution that would combine an ease of the day-to-day transactional banking with the ability to save and invest, while at the same time solving their immediate cash flow needs. We believe that we're perfectly positioned to deliver these services to our clients, while leveraging our understanding of customers, expertise in credit risk management, proprietary technology, and proven track record in building operationally complex financial technology businesses. And that's how Plazo was born.
Plazo offers a complete digital experience every day. We want people to feel financially confident. That's why we're offering them an intuitive tool to manage their money and their payments.
It only takes a few minutes to create a free personal line account and get a virtual debit card. You can also use it pretty much everywhere with zero commissions. Our card makes transacting seamless, whilst the app gives you the full control of your finances. Whether you're shopping, having lunch with your colleagues in a cozy restaurant, or enjoying that tasty cup of coffee.
And the best thing about Plazo? It rewards you for the thing you do every day.
Buying groceries in the supermarket, you'll save it with cashback.
This is just the beginning. We are building a full-service financial app that helps everyone to achieve their financial wellness goal.
Soon, our clients will enjoy features such as split payments, buy now, pay later, salary advances, savings, and, in the future, investment and much more.
Nunca pensé que crear una cuenta personal sería tan sencillo. He decidido solicitar una tarjeta de débito y el mismo día ya estaba realizando pagos con ella. Antes tenía que pagar por mi cuenta, pero ahora me recompensan cada vez que realizo una compra. Lo que más valoro es que Plazo me permite ahorrar tiempo y dinero al mismo tiempo. Además, con la app es mucho más fácil controlar mis gastos.
Our services have already attracted 5 million users in Spain and Mexico, and we have generated almost 100 million euros of revenue during the first 9 months of this year. With Plazo, we're stepping into a much larger market with the potential to service 500 million people across Southern Europe and Hispanic America.
Our mission is to provide those people with financial tools and services they deserve. And we invite you to take part in building the best credit-led neobank in the world.